Hey, 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 I am finally getting off my butt and filming my sinking funds totals for March 2024. You guys, I already know it's not going to be a good one. I know we're going to be lower. I took a lot of money out of taxes, out of vacation, and yeah, so we're going to be negative for sure. I'm pretty sure. But you know, that's fine. That's what this money is here for. And maybe that's the reason I was so unmotivated to film this. I don't know, but we're just going to see what we got going on here. So, we ended February 2024 with $6,332, and I'm just going to get right into it. Let's open up the first binder. Let me check my angle here. See I can maybe zoom in a little bit. All right, let's see how this angle works out. And then if it's too zoomed in, I will zoom out a little bit. Okay, so we're starting with Amazon. So last month we had $220. I paid for all of the subscriptions, Amazon Music, Amazon Kids, Amazon Prime. So this money is gone, and we now have just $20 in here to start off, you know, saving for 2025. So obviously that's a hit right there. So we have $20 in there now, so that's minus 200. Beauty, we started with 154. I should have that or more in here, I think. Let's see. Oh, you know what? Let me grab some sort quick. BRB. I used to keep this right over here on my desk, but you know, my daughter keeps getting to it, so I had to move it up higher, and then I forget to use it when I need it. So it's been a little bit since I rub-a-dub-dubbed this little sort quick egg here. I like this egg because like it sticks up out of the packaging and it's easier to rub. You don't have to like stick your fingers in the little like round thing. Do you guys? Yeah, I know you totally don't care about why I like this sort quick. But yeah, I like to rub up on it. Okay, I'm done. All right, so what am I trying to say? I don't know. All right, beauty. So we got 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 5, 165, 67, 69, 71, 73, 75, 77, 79, 80, 180, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 192. Perfect. My appointment is coming up in probably like 2 weeks, I think. So, you know, that's going to be spent 192, and I'm not even going to attempt to do math in my head. 192 minus 154 is 38. So plus 38 bucks. Let me know what's going on, you guys. We looked at a house today, and it's actually a house that we had previously looked at. So let me give you all the details while we're chit-chatting here. So vacay, we had $1,638. We now have 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. We have 15 bucks. So, wah, wah, wah. But the vacation is paid for, so that's all that matters. 15. So this is going to be a humongous ouchie. Let's see. 1638 minus 15 minus $1,623. No big deal. Pocket change, right? So yeah, we looked at a house today. Now, we had already looked at it. It's actually like literally a 30-second drive for us. We live here, and it's like on the cross street right here. Let me tell you about it. So, all right, subscriptions, we had $139. I, again, spent some of this. 50, 75, 78. 58, wait, 50, 60, 70, 75, 78. $78. So this house was originally listed at $300,000, which, you know, that's definitely more than we can afford. Wow, I can't do two things at once. And they dropped the price after a little while to, yep, cannot multitask. All right, minus 61. They dropped it to 280 and now they dropped it to 260 because it is not selling. And I'll tell you why. It needs a ton of work. And when I say a ton, I'm saying probably 50K at least. So they have it listed for, like I said, 260 right now. I don't think it will sell at that price, but you never know. It needs new windows, probably new carpeting. It needs a deep clean. It needs new cabinets, new like flooring in some places. Like, it just needs a lot of work. But that being said, I love the layout. It's kind of a unique layout, at least to me. I've never really seen a house like that. It's like a split level. So you walk in, you're on the main level, you have a living room, a kitchen, and then like a dining area off the kitchen. Then you go up a few steps and there's your bedrooms and your bathroom. And then off of the main level, you go down a few steps and there's like, in this particular house, they have a big bar, a fireplace. So that I figured for our family would be like, kind of like the hangout place where all the kids' toys would be and things like that. There's a really nice sunroom off of that level. And then it has even a lower level, which would be my office. So it's just like a neat layout to me. It's spacious. It has the space we need. It has like the number of bedrooms and things like that. It has a yard, and I don't know, like, I just really like it. And so right now we're just trying to decide, do we want to make an offer? If we did, like I said, it's listed for 260. I would not want to pay more than like 210, 215 max. I was thinking of offering 200. Obviously, my husband has to be okay with that as well. But that's what we're thinking. So yeah, I will of course update you. I highly doubt this person is going to accept like 200 or even 215 for it, just because he had it listed for 300. It's now at 260. Obviously, that's like $100,000 less than they originally wanted. But you never know. They might be just really anxious to sell. It's been on the market close to 2 months already. And our realtor had told us that he heard from another realtor the first time we looked at it several weeks ago that they had an offer for $259 and he declined it. Now that was when I think it was listed at 300, my guess is. So that's also why it makes me think that he won't accept 200 or 215, but you never know. He could be super motivated to sell. So that's the scoop on that. Like I said, I don't know if we're definitely going to put in an offer, but if we do, it's going to be a super low one. So, all right, emergency. We started with $1,535. We have $1,500, $20, $30, $45. $1,545, so plus 10. And it's not a lot, but hey, $10 is $10, right? Next, we have debt. So debt, we had 93. I did use that to put in my 2024 challenge, and we now have nothing. And we're probably going to have nothing in here for a while, just because I had said, instead of trying to snowball debt, I really want to save for a house down payment or moving or some type of expenses related to a house. So that's that. Medical, we did have $40. Let's see what we have in here now. We have 50, 70, 2, 4, 6, 7. So $77 now. So that's good. Plus 37. So let me know what you think about the house. You know, if we were to get it and, you know, do the needed things to it, it could be worth probably like $325 or more, our realtor said. So, you know, it's an investment for sure. Groceries, we started with 80. We have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, $24. The cool thing is in the sunroom, let's see, 80 minus 24. I can't try to talk and write and do math. So 80 minus 24 minus 56. In the sunroom, it does have a hot tub, which I don't know if it works or not, but if it does, that's awesome. but also out the back, it has like a 2-tier deck. It's really neat. And then it's a very large deck. And then in addition to the deck, it has a really nice sized yard. So, you know, we have a yard now, but it's on a slope, so we don't really consider it a yard. We don't ever go out there, or the kids don't play out there or anything. And we have a super tiny front yard, which is where the kids play. So it would be nice to have, you know, a nice yard. Okay, taxes. So we had 1108. We now have 1,000, 15, 16, 50, 1,700, 17, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,800, 5, 7, 8. $1,808. So plus 700, right? Yes, I think that's correct. So that's a nice increase there. That'll help us out a little bit. And that is the end of that first binder. Really, I should take 800 out of that tax envelope because the first payment is due like very soon. I guess I could pay it any time. So, you know, maybe I'll be taking that money out there soon. All right, Penelope, we had 449 in here. Let's see what we have going now. So we have 1, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 400, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 36, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $459. And if I didn't have my tracker there to remind me, I definitely would have forgotten how much. $459. So it's plus 10. Again, not a lot, but that's fine. Households, we had 235. That's a nice amount. Let's see. 100, 150, 70, 90, 200, 10, 15, 20, 22, 4, 6, 8, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still 235, which is nice. That would be like a nice start to pay for, I don't know, a new washer, new dryer or something if we ever needed it. 235. Okay, so that's no change. Clothing, we had 50. Let's see. We still have a 50 in there. I'm not even going to bother taking it out. I should actually take this out because I bought some clothing from Hilara recently, but whatever. Car maintenance. We had 186. We now have 150, 60, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still 186. I do have my... I think it's my registration that's due. And it's around, I don't know, it's between like $50 and $60, I think. So money has to come out of there. Holidays. Okay, 145. I spent almost every dollar of that just on Easter. So we now have 20 bucks in here. And you know, it sucks, but again, that's what this money is for. This money is to be spent on things that we need, right? So that's what? Minus 125. Birthdays, we had 200. Let's see. We now have 20, 40, 55, 65, 67, 69, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $85, I think. Yes, 85 in here now. Let's see, 85. So 200 minus 85, 115, minus 115. Okay, that's that. Almost done, you guys. School, we had 0, we still have 0, and then family photos, we had 60, and we still have 60. Haven't really touched those at all. So that is it. All right, let's get this out of the way. move this over. And now we can go ahead and add everything up and check our damage. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. All right, so our final number is 4,854. And does it bum me out a little bit? Yeah, but like I said, like I always say, this money is here to be spent, and I still have 4,800 bucks in my savings, right? And that also does not include any savings challenges. So I think we're still in good shape. And a year ago, I had probably basically zero in my savings account. So I will take this as a win, definitely. So now I'm going to go ahead and add these numbers up and just make sure that everything jives. So it looks like our difference is minus $1,478. And let's just subtract these two numbers here and make sure that adds up. 4,854 minus 6,332. Yes, I love when math works out. All right, so it looks like in between spending and adding and everything like that, sorry about the camera shaking, we managed to take out $1,478 from all of our sinking funds, which really isn't bad considering most of that went to pay for a vacation. So that is it for this one, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I considered not even filming it this month. I know this is basically probably my least watched video, but you all said you still wanted to see these videos. So, you know, as always, I'm here to deliver for you. If you don't want to see these anymore, let me know and I won't bother doing them. Okay? Okay. All right. I love you all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.